Does your fender liner have a big hole in it like mine? Or is it just old and raggedy and needs to be replaced? Well, stick with me and I'm going to show you how to do it, and hopefully save you a couple $100 in the end. First of all, I'd like to thank all the subscribers and everybody who's given me the likes on the channel. Thank you very much. It really motivates me to keep doing these videos. And for those of you that are watching the channel for the first time, welcome. So, my liner, as you guys can see, has a big hole in it. And is it a big deal? No, but it just looks like crap. And the dealer wanted to change it for me. I had them on both sides, and they wanted to charge me something like over $500. I'm not going to pay $500 for that. So what I did is I went to Hyundai, and I actually ordered the fenders through their online store. They're not cheap because I wanted them OEM, so they were, you know, probably a couple $100 each. I don't know what the price is now. And I said, let me go ahead and do this myself. I already did the other side, so I kind of know what I'm doing. It takes a little bit of patience. These things can be a little rough with these push pins. But all you really need is a screwdriver and some patience. So first of all, just a quick disclaimer. Like I always say, I'm not a mechanic, nor do I work for Hyundai, nor do I claim to be any kind of expert. I make mistakes, and hopefully I can make mistakes on here and you guys can learn from them so you don't make them. So the first thing you want to do is obviously take off your tire. And then, you know, safety first. Make sure the emergency brake is on. Make sure you got your chock blocks. And throw the tire on, you know, under the car, so just in case your jack or jack stands fail, the tire is going to catch it. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out this fender liner. It's not that hard. It's just these little pins that you got to pull out can be a pain in the butt, and you got to pull out quite a few of them. They go all around here, and then you got to remove these 3 screws, and then there's a couple screws and a bolt underneath the car that you have to take out. There's also some under here, under the front, that you got to take out. So without any further ado, let's get to it. If you ever need to change the front headlight bulb, I think this might be the easiest way to do it. You have total access to the housings if you take off the liner. Just food for thought. So now you just put everything back in reverse. I'll save you the headache of watching that, and we'll see the finished product in a second. All right, guys, and there's the finished product. Everything looks brand spanking new. So guys, if you do decide to take on this project, just be very careful. You are lifting up the car, and you want to take all the safety precautions necessary. So, Like I always say, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.